Hello.
Hello everyone. I am just going to quickly. Hi everyone. How are you all doing? I hope your evening is going good. So the topic for today's live is contraceptions, and we had shared a story yesterday asking the community to ask any questions that you might have, and I have a very special guest today as well for discussing contraceptions with you all. So basically, we have Dr. Vaidehi Marathe. She is a registered obstetrician gynecologist from Nagpur with 28 years of experience. अब इनको बहुत सारे awards मिले हैं and I will just have to read it because she is amazing. She's won 2 international awards, national and state awards as well, for her contribution in the field of community obstetrics gynecology, for services provided in upgrading human health, safe girl child, population stabilization, contraceptions, and many more. You may already know her because she is also a part of our SASI's doctors, and she understands that we need more non-judgmental and inclusive doctors who focus on helping women and answer all your questions, be there for all of you. Uh, I'm just going to quickly add her, guys. Give me a minute. Dr. Vedehi, I have already accepted your request. Hi, ma'am.
Hello. Hi.
How are you?
All well. Thank you so much. So happy to be here.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am, for sparing some very valuable time and joining us for the live today.
My pleasure
So, ma'am,
always, Nikita.
So मैम जस्ट टू टेल यू अ लिटिल, कल हमने एक स्टोरी शेयर की थी जहाँ पे
Okay.
एज यू माइट नो वी आस्क्ड आवर कम्युनिटी टू शेयर इन ऑल देयर क्वेश्चंस. कॉन्ट्रासेप्शन से रिलेटेड बहुत सारे मिथ्स है,
Yes.
बहुत सारा कंफ्यूजन है, और कहाँ से लेना है, किससे बात करनी है, उसके बारे में भी कंफ्यूजन है. So we've
Yes.
received a few questions, but before we start, ma'am, I would like to understand from you, from your private practice and also from patients that you get here, कितना खुल के औरतें बात कर पा रही है? आर दे कमिंग टू यू विद ओपन माइंड, एंड हाउ मेनी ऑफ देम आर मैरिड और अनमैरिड और यू नो ऑल दैट थिंग? बिकॉज व्हाट हैज हैपेंड इज हमें बहुत ज्यादा ये इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलती है कि गायनेक जज देम कि अगर शादी नहीं हुई है तो
Yes.
ये क्यों, लाइक यू नो, नहीं नहीं, दिस इज नॉट राइट, यू शुडंट डू दैट, शादी के बाद ही करो, ये सब ठीक हो जाएगा, उसके बाद सेक्स बिफोर मैरिज इज नॉट गुड. और इवन समवन हु इज गोइंग फॉर ओसी पिल्स, अगर पीसीओएस है तो ही फिर दे वुड यू नो प्रिस्क्राइब, अदरवाइज दे गो लाइक नहीं नहीं शादी कर लो.
Correct.
So of course things are changing now, but I would like to
Yes.
know from you, how many women are coming, how are they talking about it?
Yes. So as you very rightly said, Nikita, जो लड़कियां mostly आ रही है, they are all married right now,
Hmm.
till now, most of them. But the
Hmm.
scene is so slightly, scenario is changing, and I see more of now non-committed girls coming to me asking for contraceptive advice. Also, I think
Hmm.
social media education is helping a bit because they're already on some contraceptives. And as you very rightly
Absolutely.
said, that fear of being judged, and they don't find a safe space where they
Yeah.
can actually openly discuss this. So that is the main hitch. But
Hmm.
frankly, even now in urban setup as well, we don't get many unmarried girls coming to us for asking for contraceptive advice. It is
Hmm.
still इधर उधर देख के गूगल बाबा से पूछ के फ्रेंड से पूछ के वही सब सिनेरियो अभी भी चल रहा है
Yeah.
majority. Okay, but a few
Yeah.
percentage, yes, I see it nowadays that they come and openly discuss. So I think
Also.
here we doctors also have a big role to play. We need to provide a very safe, non-judgmental, friendly space for
Hmm.
them, so they can open up and discuss their problems. I think if that
Absolutely.
happens, and that's happening slowly over time, so I think that the scene would change very soon.
Yes, absolutely, and that's rightly said by you. काफी लोग अभी खुल के बात करने लग गए हैं. So
Yes.
let's start with the questions that we've received, ma'am. पहला जो क्वेश्चन है हमें पूछा गया है, आईयूडी और बर्थ कंट्रोल में से कौन सा चूज करना चाहिए?
Okay. So सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट इसमें ये है, पहली बात तो ऐसे ओवर द काउंटर किसी को बोला नहीं जा सकता कि हाँ तुम ये यूज कर लो, तुम वो यूज कर लो. Why? Because contraceptive advice depends on many factors. It's not like what you want. Okay, मैं आज condom use कर लूंगी, आज मैं OC pills use करूंगी. No, it depends on your health conditions, that person's choices and preferences as well, and her lifestyle. So there are so many factors to be taken into consideration that कौन सा use करना है. So it's not like one size fits all. It doesn't happen for contraceptive options, and it definitely varies from person to person. So we have to tailor as per the patient's needs and her health conditions, most important. Because there are certain conditions in which you cannot use, for example, you cannot use Copati in a patient who has a heavy painful periods, has fibroids, whereas you can use an OCP in that condition. Whereas you can't use a OCP in a person who has had a history of blood clots or liver disorders or high blood pressure, something like that, some health issues. So we need to tailor and customize as per the patient needs. So if you ask me, ye lu ki wo lu, we cannot say that. When there is a dilemma, I would strongly advise that they must visit a health professional, health personnel, or their gynec, discuss all their concerns, tell them very openly what preferences do they have, and then they can choose. For example, you ask me what is whether she should choose between a IUD, IUCD, or a OC pill. So she needs to know what's an IUCD first and what's an OCP. So basically, IUCD is a very small T-shaped device which goes inside the uterus, and it has a copper woven around it. Okay, तो एक copper नाम का chemical उसके ऊपर होता है जो locally release होता है, and uterus के अंदर एक ऐसा environment create करता है जिसके वजह से implantation possible नहीं होता. So that's how it prevents pregnancy. So it's very safe, very effective. It is user independent, meaning like condoms and OC pills that you have to use every time. Like condoms you have to use each time you have sex, and OC pills whether you have sex or you don't have, you have to take that pill every day without fail. कॉपर्टी का ऐसे आपने डाल दिया, बस रेगुलर फॉलोअप करो डॉक्टर के साथ और भूल जाओ, रोज कुछ भी याद रखने की जरूरत नहीं है. इट इज वेरी इफेक्टिव, इट इज इमीडिएटली इफेक्टिव. Okay, and once you remove, the return to fertility is also very quick in copperties, and it can also be used as a emergency contraceptive. Okay, so there are so many added advantages of a copperty, but you cannot use it in patients who have very heavy periods, painful periods, who have fibroids or some cavity lesions which makes the cavity irregular, or those who have
Never
or those who
given
have high
birth to
blood.
children.
Yes, or they have diabetes, or they have some infections like PID, जो local pelvic infections है. ऐसे patients से हम लोग copperty advice नहीं करेंगे. Diabetes से we will not advise. Okay, so that's about copperty that they should know. And also there are so many myths about copperty. If you know a few, we can just bust them.
Absolutely. One was actually कि copperty का thread गुम जाएगा, तो फिर रप्चर होके like one of the questions is that rupture होके बहुत issues होंगे. That is what they've heard. Ma'am, please address that if possible.
So, coming to that, myths को address करना बहुत जरूरी है. First of all, let me assure everyone who's attending this live that it's a very safe device if you've taken help of a proper trained medical professional. Yes, very rarely some problems can happen. Problem क्या होता है अपने साथ? किसी को अगर 100 women have inserted a copperty, एक को अगर प्रॉब्लम हो, एक ही जन उसको हाईलाइट करेगा, ये हुआ, एंड दे विल फील अरे बाप रे मेरे वो फ्रेंड को इतनी प्रॉब्लम हो गई, बहुत डेंजरस है मैम, उसने बोला बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता है. एक्चुअली दैट परसेंटेज इज जस्ट अबाउट 1 or 2 पेशेंट्स, बट जिनको बहुत फायदा हो दे नेवर हाईलाइट कि वो कितना पॉजिटिव एक्सपीरियंस था. सो वी नीड टू टॉक टू पीपल हु हैव हैड पॉजिटिव एक्सपीरियंसेस. मेरे को ऐसे पेशेंट्स आते बोलते हैं मैम वो इंटरकोर्स के टाइम उसको कॉपर्टी चुभती है. Actually, uterus models as well. I'll see if I can just get in. I forgot to bring it here. So it goes way inside. If you can allow me 1 minute, can I quickly go and get the model?
Please.
Just a second, you carry on.
Yeah. Till then, guys, if you have any questions about contraceptives या कोई भी myths है, कुछ भी है, Dr. Vaidehi is here to answer all your questions. She is a gynecologist and here for all of you. कुछ questions अभी यहाँ पे मुझे दिख रहे हैं. We'll take them up as and when ma'am comes and we resume the session.
Yeah, I'm back. So, can you see this clearly?
Yes.
So just understand the anatomy first. This is the vagina. जहाँ से इंटरकोर्स होता है या ब्लीडिंग बाहर आता है, menstrual blood या डिलीवरी यहीं से होती है, ये ओपन पैसेज है, where your finger can go in. And this vagina में यूट्रस का माउथ ओपन होता है. Okay,
Mm.
and the uterus is a bag-like structure which has a body and the mouth,
Yeah.
and the uterus has a cavity here. Can you see this?
Mm.
So when I put a
Mm.
copper T, the copper T is not here in the vagina. It's
Yeah.
right here inside the cavity of the uterus, way inside. So मेरे पास
Mm.
एक model था, unfortunately we lost it. It had a copper T inserted there like that. So the
Mm.
copper T is from here till here,
Mm.
and the thread is from here, and a little bit here is left behind so that we get to pull it, so that we can remove it
Yeah.
later when they want to remove it.
Yeah.
So copper T यहाँ है, intercourse यहाँ हो रहा है, copper T
Mm.
यहाँ है. Is there any way that it can prick or pierce the partner? No ways. Okay.
Absolutely.
So ये clear करना जरूरी था anatomically कि copper T यहाँ
Mm.
है, उससे कोई भी pricking sensation, injury, harm नहीं होता. सेकेंडली मैंने सुना था वो पूरा यूट्रस से घुस के मेरे गले में फंस जाएगी. सो यूट्रस इज वे डाउन इन योर एब्डोमेन, वे बिलो, आपका एब्डोमिनल जो एब्डोमेन कैविटी आप फील करते हो ऊपर से, उसके
Mm.
भी जो नीचे वाला हिस्सा है जहाँ पे मराठी में त्याला कोथा म्हणतात किंवा
हाँ.
पेल्विस इन कॉमनली वी कॉल इट इन इंग्लिश, उसके नीचे यूट्रस है. आपका थ्रोट यहाँ है. हाउ विल
Yeah.
द कॉपर टी ट्रेवल लाइक दैट? देयर इज नो
Yeah.
पैसेज मेड लाइक दैट फॉर द कॉपर टी, सो इट डज नॉट ट्रेवल. Very rarely it can just go, it can perforate the uterus. It is very rare, but it still does not go up to the throat. It
Yeah.
can get embedded in the bowel loops. Okay,
Mm.
ये एक कॉमन मिथ है. फिर वेट गेन हो जाएगा,
Mm.
मेरी बैक एक शुरू हो जाएगा, मेरा वेट लॉस हो जाएगा.
Yeah.
सो एज आई टोल्ड यू द एनाटॉमी, कॉपर इज हियर, उसके ऊपर का कॉपर यहाँ पे रिलीज हो रहा है, यहीं पे वो
Mm.
इनर एनवायरमेंट टॉक्सिक कर रहा है, सो दैट प्रेगनेंसी
Mm.
डज नॉट गेट इम्प्लांटेड.
Mm.
अभी यही लोकली एक्टिंग है, उसमें भी कोई हार्मोन रिलीज नहीं हो रहा है, जस्ट
Yeah.
कॉपर रिलीज हो रहा है. सो इससे कैसे कोई साइड इफेक्ट हो सकता है? इससे कोई साइड इफेक्ट, ये ऐसे वाले मिथ्स जो आप सुनते हो वो नहीं है. जो मैंने 4-5 मेरे पेशेंट से सुने वो मैंने बताया. अगर और कोई मिथ्स है मुझे बताओ, वी कैन बस्ट देम.
Definitely. Till now we are just that. Next question, like before that, a common myth with birth control, I think women have is कि weight gain बहुत होता है, मोटे होते
तो
हैं उससे
या
बहुत, and बाद में fertility decrease हो जाती है.
करेक्ट. सो मैं कॉपर्टी के बारे में बात कर रही थी, तो लेट मी टॉक अबाउट कॉपर्टी फर्स्ट कि
Yeah.
उससे ना वेट गेन होगा, बिकॉज आई एक्सप्लेन कॉपर्टी इज हियर विदाउट एनी हॉर्मोन्स. इट कोई भी सिस्टमिक एब्जॉर्प्शन नहीं होता यहाँ से जहां से वेट गेन
Hmm.
होगा. और फर्टिलिटी, कॉपर्टी का एक एडवांटेज है, आप जैसे कॉपर्टी निकालोगे नेक्स्ट साइकिल से आपकी फर्टिलिटी विल बी बैक टू नॉर्मल. सो
Yeah.
इससे कोई भी आपकी प्रेगनेंसी चांसेस है उस पर कोई भी असर नहीं होता है. कमिंग टू ओरल कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव पिल्स, अगेन उसके बारे में भी बहुत ज्यादा मिथ्स है. मैं मतलब पेशेंट्स वॉक इन करते हैं ना, गिव देम एन ऑप्शन कि ये
Hmm.
यूज कर सकती हो. पिल्स पिल्स नहीं 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 मैम, बिल्कुल पिल्स बहुत डेंजरस है, मेरे हस्बैंड ने बिल्कुल मना किया है. फिर
Yeah.
मैं उनको पूछती हूँ, अच्छा आपके
क्यों?
हस्बैंड डॉक्टर है? नहीं. फिर ऐसे उनको कैसे पता है? देन उन्होंने किसी से सुना
Hmm.
है. सो अगेन गूगल
Hmm.
टॉक, listen, they've heard from their friends or family. So
Hmm.
again, there are lots of myths around the oral
Okay.
contraceptive pill. Let me
Yes.
tell you, the pills that nowadays we have are extremely low dose pills. They're very
Hmm.
safe. They're very effective, 99% effective, but you have to take them properly the way they've been prescribed.
Yeah.
मीनिंग आपको रोज जैसे प्रिस्क्राइब किया है उसको विदाउट फेल लेना है, बिकॉज है वेरी लो डोज.
Hmm.
तो उनका हाफ लाइफ इज वेरी शॉर्ट. सो इफ यू फॉरगेट द पिल,
Hmm.
नेक्स्ट डे उसका इफेक्ट लोअर होके प्रेगनेंसी का चांस हो जाता है. इसलिए वो एक ही चीज है ओरल कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव पिल के बारे में, दैट यू शुड नॉट फॉरगेट टू टेक द पिल.
At
अभी
the
जब
same
बातें करें तो
time,
उसमें
every day.
यस,
Hmm.
सो मैं ये भी बता देती हूँ कि कैसे लेना है. सो
Hmm.
फिक्स वन टाइम ऑफ द डे, लाइक generally I tell my patients, remember your bedtime, so you
Hmm.
know you may need for
Yeah.
contraception now, so just pop the pill, keep the pill packet just next to
Yes.
your bedside. So pop the pill
Hmm.
every night. So in case you forget one night, so next day you remember, अरे मैंने कल pill नहीं खाया,
Hmm.
immediately take the forgotten pill. One day you've
Hmm.
forgotten, take the forgotten pill immediately,
Yeah.
and उस दिन का pill उसी समय लेना है. So 1 day is fine, but if you forget for 2 days and more, जैसे 2 दिन के बाद तुमको थर्ड डे याद है, you forgotten the
Hmm.
pill. So जो
Hmm.
2 forgotten pills है वो जैसे याद आएगा तुरंत पॉप इन कर लो, एंड उस दिन का पिल उसी दिन रात को ले लेना, उस दिन का जो डोज है.
Hmm.
But after that, you should remember that there is a chance that the fertility, I mean the
Ovulation.
effectiveness will go down in this
Yeah.
cycle.
Hmm.
So a backup contraceptive must be used
Hmm.
in this case.
Hmm.
So ये
Hmm.
oral contraceptive pill का है. It is not user independent. You
Yeah.
have to, you are dependent on some method. But oral contraceptive का ये और एक advantage है कि आपको मेल पार्टनर पे डिपेंडेंट रहने की
नहीं
जरूरत नहीं है. वो
है.
यूज करेंगे
Hmm.
नहीं करेंगे. Same thing is true with copper. You don't have to
Hmm.
depend on your dependent on your male partner. So there are a lot of couples who come to me. The wives, they come to me and complain कि husband refuses to use a condom. So here
Hmm.
they can take the contraceptive control control under their control in their hands.
Yeah.
तो ये
Yeah.
ओसी पिल का एडवांटेज है. उसके एडेड एडवांटेज क्या है, तो पीरियड्स आपके फ्लो अगर हैवी है तो कम हो जाएगा. इट विल बी लेस पेनफुल.
Painful.
The PMS symptoms will be reduced. Also, जो कॉमन मिथ है कि कैंसर का चांस बढ़ेगा, लेट मी टेल यू वन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन हियर, दैट oral contraceptive pill will in fact reduce the incidence or risk of uterine, ovarian and colorectal cancers. Contrary to the belief कि कैंसर हो जाएगा, इससे in fact रिस्क कम होगा ये 3 कैंसर्स का. इन एडिशन पीरियड्स रेगुलर रहेंगे आपके हमेशा, बिल्कुल साइकिल मेंटेन रहेगा. मेनी women feel very happy if their periods are regular, so that's one very big advantage and benefit with that. And also जो acne है, मतलब certain pills will also help in reducing the acne and unwanted facial hair. It will also help in treatment of endometriosis and PCOS as well. So ये उसके added benefits है. As I said, who cannot use, I have already told that some patients you should not use. जो cancer का डर है no Nikita, that's very clearly the statistics have said, and nowadays very clear guidelines are there that people need not worry if you take the oral contraceptive pill without your doctor's prescription, without the supervision, continuously without a break for 5 years and more. Only then there is a minimal increase in the risk of cancer of the breast.
Understood. So it's very important to talk to your gynac before starting any medicines.
Yes, and you have the risk. Yes, you have the risk only if you use it continuously for more than 5 years.
5 years.
And that risk will again go down once you stop the pill.
Absolutely.
तो जो इतने जो मन में डर है ना, ये सब निकाल देने की जरूरत है. ये मिथ जो है ना, अगेन सेम मिथ, वेट गेन होगा. So वो अगेन कि ये बहुत लो डोज पिल्स है, वेट गेन पिल से नहीं होगा, आपकी फॉल्टी लाइफस्टाइल से होगा. बिकॉज you're not managing your nutrition, your activity, your exercise, that's why the weight gain, not because of the oral contraceptive pill. कैंसर्स के बारे में बता दिया. एंड सेम थिंग कि नहीं बागे बच्चे रहने में दिक्कत जाएगी, वो भी बिल्कुल गलत है. Return to the fertility is really quick with oral contraceptive pills. So the first question, I think
the only disadvantage I would say of IUD and OC pill is that it doesn't give prevention from STIs. So it gives prevention only from pregnancy. So I guess that is one thing.
So I was just coming to that. The first question that she said कि ये use करूँ कि वो use करूँ. So she should have also considered barrier contraceptive, which gives a very important advantage and added advantage of protection from sexually transmitted infections, which none of these two methods will give them. So these are suitable once you are in a monogamous committed relationship, you're sure you've not had multiple sexual partners. Then these choices are really good for them.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for that detailed explanation, ma'am. Next question we have is, मेरी बेटी ये साल 18 की होने वाली है. She has a boyfriend जिसके बारे में मुझे पता है. मैं इन जनरल बहुत ही ओपन एंड फ्रेंडली रिलेशनशिप शेयर करती हूँ मेरी बेटी के साथ. रिसेंटली उसने बर्थ कंट्रोल के बारे में पूछा एंड शी इज बीन थिंकिंग अबाउट गोइंग ऑन द पिल. एज अ मदर मुझे पता नहीं है क्या मुझे सपोर्ट करना चाहिए, बिकॉज आई हैव रेड अ लॉट ऑफ साइड इफेक्ट्स होते हैं पिल के. व्हाट शुड आई डू? आई थिंक दिस क्वेश्चन वी आंसर्ड ऑलरेडी इन द प्रीवियस वन regarding OC pill.
Yes, but the question is so heartwarming for me as a mother. That I feel so nice that daughter felt a safe space with her mother. She thought that she can confide and openly discuss. So I must congratulate that mother first, that she created that environment for that daughter at home. But it's very important that this mother, she should encourage, not encourage this, I'm saying encourage an open conversation so that she can discuss very openly the pros and cons of sexual relationships at this age. Why I'm saying that, I'm not judging what is right and what is wrong, but when you are getting sexually active at a very young age, it's very likely that in future they are ultimately going to have multiple sexual partners, because this sexual relationship may not last long. And we know that happens. So she needs to counsel her regarding the pros and cons of a sexual relationship, what she's getting into. And she should also explain the potential side effects that she may experience with certain oral contraceptive, whatever option that she decides. So she should be counseled well, and then together they must visit a gynac to have an open conversation, discuss the pros and cons, and then let her decide the choice, whatever preferences she has, what aligns with her lifestyle and her preferences. So
Right.
that
Absolutely.
is an important thing about this question.
Yeah. But we have seen, like, we receive DMs from our community as well. They share their experiences कि आज उन्होंने अपने बेटी के साथ इस बारे में बात की है. And first time उनको उनका perspective समझ आया. Because what happens is we, as people in the 30s, let's say, we see our moms and we don't think that one day she was also a lady, a girl who had the same feelings, the same
Yes,
experiences like us.
yes,
And when we
yes.
start talking to our mothers, especially when daughters start talking to their mothers in this way, it's a completely different experience. और वो बहुत अच्छा लगता है वो जब वो validation आती है that okay, you know, everyone goes through this and
Yes,
everyone has that confusion and it's okay, you can just talk
absolutely,
to someone.
absolutely, absolutely.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन मैम इज मुझे पीसीओएस है एंड आई टेंड टू हैव इरेगुलर पीरियड्स. आई हैव रिसेंटली स्टार्टेड हैविंग अ सेक्सुअल रिलेशनशिप. क्या मुझे कॉन्डोम यूज करना चाहिए इवन इफ आई डोंट गेट माय पीरियड्स?
ओके. सो यहाँ पे भी उसके प्रेफरेंसेस लाइफस्टाइल जान लेना बहुत जरूरी है. whether she is into a committed relationship, whether she is married and intending to spend the next year,
हम्म.
next few years of her life with this person.
हम्म.
Though she has PCOS, it is a separate medical issue, health issue.
हम्म.
Here I would
हम्म.
like to address, because I feel she is a girl and maybe she's not yet married. I would strongly suggest
हम्म.
that she should consider condoms even though she has PCOS. For PCOS, there are
हम्म.
other treatment options which
हम्म.
her doctor will advise for her. Because again and again, we must emphasize that a condom will give her two benefits: contraception
Yeah.
and prevention and protection from sexually transmitted infections.
हम्म.
So,
हम्म.
condoms, yes. And for PCOS, consult your gynec and get it treated.
एब्सोल्युटली. आई थिंक ये काफी आता है लाइक व्हाट मेजरली पीपल थिंक इज अगर पीरियड्स नहीं आ रहे हैं दैट मींस आई एम नॉट फर्टाइल एंड आई कैन हैव सेक्स विदाउट
Yeah,
कॉन्डम एंड आई वोंट गेट प्रेग्नेंट. बट व्हाट दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड इज पीसीओएस में ओव्यूलेशन साइकिल is this thing. We don't know whether it was an anovulatory cycle or ovulatory, and
correct.
chances of pregnancy are high. Even if
Definitely.
spotting भी होता है उनको ऐसे लगता है कि periods आ गए हैं, when
Yes,
that could
yes.
actually be the implantation spotting. So
Absolutely correct. And PCOS patients do have erratic ovulation
hmm,
sometimes. And I have had
absolutely.
patients, because she always had irregular cycles. She was not a married girl, and
Hmm.
she presumed कि 3-4 महीने नहीं है तो मेरा हमेशा का ही है. And she had already conceived. By the time I saw her, she was almost into a second. She was into a second trimester. Of course,
Oh,
the
okay.
abortion laws in
Hmm.
India are quite good, and she had an access to abortion.
Hmm. Hmm.
But this should not happen.
Hmm. Absolutely. Yeah. Okay, that clears it. Next is मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड को बर्थ कंट्रोल पे नहीं जाना है एंड कॉन्डम से मुझे ज्यादा फील नहीं होता. आई नो कि मैं पहले उसके लिए डिसाइड नहीं कर सकता एंड वी डोंट वांट टू डू इट विदाउट सम काइंड ऑफ प्रोटेक्शन. व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट बेस्ट ऑप्शन?
Again, I feel happy to know this question, because he's concerned about her choice. What she wants is also
Yeah,
important for him, which is really
absolutely.
nice. Very
Hmm.
nice. Her consent and her preferences are considered, so that's good. So if he doesn't
Hmm.
want a condom and she doesn't want an oral contraceptive pill, here is a catch-22 situation, because both the options are very effective, which they do not want. So they
Hmm.
can opt for non-hormonal methods like an IUD, like a copper T thing. I
Hmm.
personally, as a gynac, do not prefer inserting a copper T in a girl who's never had children,
Children,
because the
exactly. Hmm.
chance is rare, but it is there that some kind of infections, PID, and subsequent
Hmm.
chances of infertility may be there. It is
Can
rare,
happen.
but it is
Hmm.
there. So I
Hmm.
personally do not prefer that. But yes, theoretically, she can use a copper T for herself. Or then, since both of them do not want a OCP or a condom, then there are other natural methods of contraception.
Hmm.
Again, their effectiveness is, I mean, there is a high chance of failure.
Hmm.
First is following a calendar method, the fertile and the
Yeah.
non-fertile days, safe days and
Hmm.
unsafe days, for which she must have very regular cycles,
Hmm.
always. But in spite of that, in some patients, some women may have one erratic, irregular cycle because of
Hmm.
stress, travel, so many things. And if they're following
Absolutely.
safe, unsafe period, and unfortunately in that cycle they've had delayed ovulation, she's
Hmm.
still likely to conceive. So it's not a very effective method. But yes, they can. That is one more method, knowing fully well that success rate is not so
Yeah.
good. Second is a
Yeah.
coitus interruptus. That means they can ejaculate outside.
But
The
then we
male
don't,
partner, we do not
absolutely.
advise that as well.
Yes.
Yeah, because again, it's not effective. Also, the precum can
Hmm.
contain sperms and she can still get pregnant. So these
Absolutely.
are these options. So I would ask them to go to a doctor and discuss all these
Hmm.
options with them.
Hmm.
If he's not comfortable with a male condom, yes, there are female condoms where the जो pleasure या sensation नहीं होता वाला chance कम है.
Yeah.
But again, female
Hmm.
condoms need some time to get trained to use
I
it. And if you
actually
have it,
have one right
oh,
here
that's
to show to
fantastic.
our audience, and
Please do
so
that. Please do that.
we get questions कि फीमेल कॉन्डम मिलेगा कहाँ से, फार्मेसी पे अवेलेबल नहीं होते हैं, तो
नहीं
वेयर डू
नहीं.
यू गेट इट? तो
Yeah.
देर आर 24/7 फार्मेसीज, जैसे फार्मेसी है, उधर मिल सकता है, या फिर it's also there on Blinkit. So I got this one. This is P-Saves Domina female condom. I
Okay.
got this from Blinkit within 10 minutes. So
Oh.
that is there. So it looks like this. This is how it looks like. This is the sponge that is to be inserted, and this is the outer ring. So
Right.
काफी लोगों को confusion होता है कि इसको पहन कैसे सकते हैं. So I have made a kind of a जुगाड़ here. So if we imagine this to be the vaginal hole or the opening, तो पहले what we are supposed to do is this is the outer ring, this is the sponge. तो sponge को ऐसे fold करना है and then insert it and move it in. Now once it's in, you have to ensure कि वो अच्छे से अंदर गया, and there
ओपन
is no
होना है.
twisting, क्योंकि अगर twist,
Yes.
हाँ, अगर यहाँ पे for twisting you can just insert two fingers
And
and just do this.
just rotate. Yeah.
So
Move along
yeah,
the walls.
along the wall. So उसके वजह से अगर twist हुआ है या जो भी, तो पता चलेगा, and this ring remains outside like this. And
Yes.
फिर intercourse यहाँ से होता है, like penis will go from here.
Correct.
And while removing again, pinch it here like that, pull it nicely, slow, and then again sponge को feel करके, because the sponge is very very soft. एकदम सॉफ्ट है, इट्स इनफैक्ट सॉफ्टर देन मेंस्ट्रुअल कप्स ऑल्सो. सो कुछ भी फील नहीं होता है, एंड नॉट पेनफुल एट ऑल. जस्ट इंश्योर कि वो पिंच किया है, अदरवाइज देयर चांसेस ऑफ स्पिलेज.
Village.
So this, ma'am, honestly, हम internship में जब थे, there were these very weird looking diagrams which were
Yes.
there. ये कभी
Yes.
देखा नहीं था. And when I saw
Yes.
this made me really happy. The
Yeah.
only thing I would say the drawback of this is it's pretty expensive. Normally condoms, जो male condoms होते हैं, 3
Very
condoms
cheap.
are anywhere
Very
between
cheap.
45 to 80
Yeah. Yeah.
rupees. And this one is for 100. But again, this can be advantages कि काफी लोग बोलते हैं ना, between the session wearing this just puts you off the mood चला जाता है, then we don't get back into the zone again. So this can
With a
be
male
worn
condom.
before you start
This
the
has to
session.
be worn from start to the end.
Yes,
Don't have to interrupt. You must wear it first and then start.
then start. And also up to 8 hours before you can wear it and go. मतलब in case someone has some plans and they don't know that वो
Correct.
available होगा कि
Wear and
नहीं,
go.
that is something that can be
Wear
done.
and
And
go. Yes.
yeah.
And it is not reusable.
Absolutely. Not reusable. Use can be used only once and prevents you from STI and pregnancy both.
Yes.
And
Yes.
honestly, I love their packaging also because they have made it very easy. उन्होंने ऐसे एक papers दिए हैं for throwing it later,
Disposal.
क्योंकि कहाँ फेंकेंगे.
Correct.
Yes.
That's very
So I
important.
really love. Yeah, I really love their thing, and Blinkit
Yes.
पे मिलता है. So this is what you can do if you guys would want to
तो ये करेक्ट. सो इसके साथ थोड़ा कस्टम होना जरूरी है, कैसे इंसर्ट करना है, कैसे निकालना है, अच्छे से
Absolutely.
सीखना जरूरी है. बिकॉज उसी के साथ अगर गड़बड़ हुआ तो फेलियर का चांस है, बिकॉज लीकेज होगा तो ये हो सकता है. सो वो अच्छे से सीख
Absolutely.
लेना जरूरी है. बट अगेन in this case also the contraceptive control is under the with the woman, so she can
Absolutely.
insert and use it. Yeah. So good,
Yeah,
you got
and
it
the
here and you can demonstrate.
yeah, because मैं बहुत लोग बोल रहे थे कि कैसे दिखता है पता नहीं, इंसर्ट कैसे करना है पता नहीं. So I thought that since you're discussing the live, I might as well get it and show it
And
with you.
yes, and women who are using tampons or using menstrual cups, उनके लिए तो बहुत easy है because they
Yeah,
already know the anatomy and how it goes in. So for them it is very very easy. For
yeah,
others they will take some. There is always a learning curve for everything. No, हम एक दिन में
absolutely.
साइकिल चलाना तो नहीं सीखे ना,
Nice.
कुछ दिन तो लगते ही है ना.
Yes,
Same way you take some time.
absolutely. Okay, the next one is क्या दो condoms mean better protection?
So, dो condoms is called, actually is termed as double bagging. एंड ये लोग क्यों यूज करते हैं, उनको लगता है कि एडेड प्रोटेक्शन मिल रहा
Yeah.
है, बट जस्ट द
Yeah.
रिवर्स इज ट्रू. इनफैक्ट व्हेन यू यूज टू condoms वन ओवर द अदर, इनफैक्ट
Hmm.
उससे क्या होता है ड्यूरिंग इंटरकोर्स, उसमें फ्रिक्शन होने की वजह से रप्चर और ब्रेकेज के और टेयर के चांसेस इनफैक्ट बहुत ज्यादा है. सो फेलियर चांसेस आर वेरी हाई.
Hmm.
बट उसके अलावा मतलब इंस्टेड आई वुड लाइक टू से कि अगर आपको अच्छा इफेक्टिवनेस चाहिए कॉन्डोम के साथ, तो जस्ट अ सिंगल कॉन्डोम इज इनफ. What you have
Yes.
to do is to use it properly, a well-fitted condom, and while you
Yeah.
remove, you be very cautious that there is no leakage. That's it. So
Hmm.
that will give you very good effectiveness. So you don't need to use two. In fact, you will increase the chance of pregnancy rather than decrease it.
एब्सोल्युटली मैम, ये बहुत होता है, काफी मेल्स बोलते हैं दैट दे डोंट गेट द फीलिंग ऑफ सेंसेशन व्हेन दे वेयर अ कॉन्डम. I honestly don't think that it's the case, and I have spoken to pretty a lot of people. Of course there is this one added thing कि थोड़ा layer में difference होता
Correct.
है, but like what are your thoughts? Do you think that this should be a reason enough for someone to not
Shouldn't
use a condom?
shouldn't be a reason, going by the texture and the type of the condoms that we have. But yes, some husbands do complain about it. So I think now there are dotted and
Yeah,
some different textures available, so
swirls and dotted and
they can
yes,
always try them. But mostly it shouldn't be a problem. What is
yeah.
your
And
experience about this?
this is what exactly I have also heard, and that's what I have asked many. So when we get consultations and we talk to our women, we also talk to their partners कि exactly होता क्या है. So when we tell them that, because what happens, what I have realized is पहले से ये बोलते आए हैं ना कि कॉन्डम की वजह से फील नहीं होता, so वो
It's here.
subconscious में right when they are teenagers, it's there. So they will believe it how much ever you tell them no. Now, if you tell them that listen, no glove, no love, फिर तो वो करेंगे, फिर तो ऑटोमेटिकली उनको वो फील भी होगा, अच्छा भी होगा, सब हो
Absolutely.
जाएगा.
मैं यही every girl at whoever is sexually active, so you at least you put it very modestly, no glove, no love. I said no condom, no penetration. That's it. So you have to put that condition because women need to be more cautious. You know why I'm saying that is
Absolutely.
because
Hmm.
if at all some failure happens, a girl will get pregnant, a man would go just
Exactly.
scot free, and he
Hmm.
will have to suffer all the consequences. So she has to put her foot down. No condom, no
Yeah.
intercourse.
Yeah. Absolutely. And uske baad, it's also a lot of education and counseling to men, asking them that, rewiring hoti hai by telling them to do pleasure focused exercises. Like, for example, the girl can start with a blowjob just so that, his sensation is intact and the foreplay can be continued, and then they can wear the condom again to just for the penetration
Oh,
purposes.
that's
But that kind of education and talks we do have during our consultations as well, and तब थोड़ा सा change होता है, but
an
again at the end of the day the
important tip.
girl
But
has
you
to be,
told, yeah,
yeah,
you talked about a very important tip right now.
yeah. So if that is not done, I get it, like in होता है, होता होगा उनको भी issue, but if at the end of the day girl doesn't put her foot down, then he is always going to know that उसको अगर ऐसे बोला तो वो सुन लेगी, but
True.
later like you said she will only suffer in especially in pregnancy, and he will himself also suffer in case of STIs. So it's always
Yes,
better for
for both of them.
that.
Yes, protection is for both.
Absolutely. Next is मैं आईपिल काफी फ्रीक्वेंटली लेती हूँ बिकॉज माई बॉयफ्रेंड डजंट लाइक कॉन्डम. उसी पिल से मेरी फ्रेंड को बहुत तकलीफ हुई. व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम टाइम्स आई कैन टेक आईपिल? साइड इफेक्ट्स क्या है?
सबसे पहले मैं एक सिंपल लाइन में बता देती हूँ कि और इमरजेंसी कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव पिल मतलब आई पिल इज नॉट अ रेगुलर कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव. गेट इट राइट
यस.
हियर इन योर हेड because it contains high doses of a hormone called as levonorgestrel, and that high dose is because your regular contraceptive has failed, and that's why you need an additional backup. So if you keep on popping a pill which contains high doses of hormones, what will happen? It will disrupt your hormonal cycle completely. So there is no
या.
way how many times you should not use it. You must consult a gynec, discuss your options, and choose the correct contraceptive for you, and switch to that contraceptive only. IPL is to be used only when your regular contraception has failed, or in some exceptional cases, rarely, but not as a regular contraceptive, surely, because it will have its side effects. Your cycles will go haywire, you will have irregular cycles, spotting, breast tenderness, nausea, fatigue, so many side effects also associated with that. So
या.
IPL is only an occasional contraceptive to be used only occasionally in emergency only. So it's called
Yeah.
an emergency contraceptive pill.
Absolutely. And that is very important because होता क्या है मैम कि आईपिल यू गेट इजीली ओवर द काउंटर, डॉक्टर के पास जाने की जरूरत नहीं,
Very
प्रिस्क्रिप्शन की
sad.
जरूरत नहीं है. एंड ओसी
Yes.
पिल्स यू नीड दिस. So girls, because of the shame and taboo or shyness, they just don't consult their gynacs or
Correct.
doctor, and then they just take it over the counter, and it creates a lot of issues later also.
Yes. Very right.
So it's very important that someone goes to a gynec and gets it. Ma'am, like what are the usual tests that someone advises before OC pills? जैसे क्या टेस्ट होते हैं, ब्लड टेस्ट, सोनोग्राफी, what are the tests that a gynec would ask you
So
to get?
yeah, so regular low dose contraceptive pill के लिए if you take a proper history and rule out other systemic disorder, जैसे मैंने बोला कोई blood clots की history है, liver disorders है, hypertension है, ऐसी कोई
Hmm.
history है, तो it's
Hmm.
better to switch to another method of contraceptive. But if
Hmm.
otherwise he's a healthy individual with any not no risk factor or
Hmm.
nothing very specific about her health that we need to look into, then you don't really need any investigations. A proper
Hmm.
checkup and evaluation, and depending on the history, some tests can be advised, but not as a routine.
Okay. Okay, understood. So that is there. Last is क्या skin issues हो सकते हैं because of latex used in condoms?
Because of
Latex that is
okay,
used in the
yeah,
condoms.
yeah. Yes, so generally the condoms are very safe, but some either a man or a woman can have latex allergies, and if you are
Allergy.
sensitive to latex, then they can face some skin issues around that local area. A woman
Hmm.
can experience some irritation or
Skin
itching around
tenderness.
the
Yeah.
introitus. Similarly with the man, in that case, now we have other options. Non-latex condoms are available, like polyurethane and some other
Yes.
materials which are used. They
Yes.
can safely switch to those condoms. Yes, that can happen, but rarely.
Yeah, and बहुत exactly ये बहुत rare है, but of course you have to be sure that you take the condom from a trusted brand,
Yes.
क्योंकि अभी latex के नाम पे काफी कुछ mix भी मिलता है, so it needs to be
अच्छा.
from a trusted brand. You have to check the expiry and make sure that you don't use a oil-based lube with latex condom.
Correct.
कोकोनट ऑयल बहुत कॉमनली यूज किया जाता है एज ए
Mm-hmm.
लुब्रिकेंट, स्पेशली इन इंडियन सोसाइटीज लाइक हाउस होल्ड्स, तो वो नहीं यूज करना है बिकॉज उससे अगेन फेलियर होगा, इट कैन टेयर एंड
Yeah.
प्रेगनेंसी हो सकती है.
Yes.
But
Yes.
as long as I think they're taking from a trusted brand and they're following the
The
instructions,
instructions on
reading
the
the
packet.
instructions, yeah, then कुछ issue होती नहीं है. Let me just see. I think we are done with all the questions. Guys, if you have any questions, let me
It's been
check,
almost
ma'am, if
40
I'm.
minutes now we are here.
Yeah, yeah,
We
there's
always
a lot of
plan,
questions.
Nikita, that we'll have quick live so that people, stay back and listen. And we end up having around 40 minutes, 1 hour sessions, and the people stick on, with us and they stay with us. So that's really nice. People want to get educated.
Exactly, because ma'am, the topic ऐसे 20 minutes में खत्म ही
I
नहीं
know.
कर सकते. There are so many things that need to be understood, and not a lot of platforms can talk openly. काफी लोग नहीं बात कर पाते. So I'm glad that people stick by and listen
Yes,
to
yes, yes.
our lives. And
So your
thank you so much,
is
ma'am.
listening can drop in their questions here. No, we can answer their questions. I don't think
Yes,
there's any.
I had
You
already
can.
mentioned that. जो
Okay,
एक
you
एक
can.
क्वेश्चन, हाँ, एक क्वेश्चन जो आया था बीच में ओसी पिल का, वो उधर से ही आया
Okay,
था.
no?
So even in the
Okay.
DMs they gave.
Okay, great.
So I think we have covered all the questions. Yeah. Yes.
So
Thank
कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव पे
you,
अगर आपको
ma'am.
लाइव करना है तो कितने करने पड़ेंगे तब इनफ होगा. बट दिस वाज जस्ट अ शॉर्ट एंड
Exactly.
स्वीट विद क्वेश्चन बेस्ड इंटरेक्टिव जो मन में है लोगों के वो हमने सॉल्व किया. देयर आर मेनी थिंग्स टू बी
Absolutely.
टॉक्ड अबाउट.
Yes. And what we thought is, instead of taking a live and discussing topics, we wanted to know what our community wants to know. कि उनके कौन से questions है. Because if we start getting too much into the educational aspect, काफी लोगों को वो फिर समझ में नहीं आता. So they
थ्योरेटिकल बोरिंग हो
feel,
जाता है. दिस बिकम
yes,
मोर इंटरेक्टिव. So practical based हो
absolutely,
जाता है. Commonly asked questions are
absolutely.
discussed. True.
Exactly. So that is the reason we were like, we'll just keep it like that. We'll keep having more lives. And
Definitely.
ma'am, with you also, we are going to have many more lives and looking forward to having you
I would love
again
to
with
be
us.
here. As I keep saying, awareness and education is my passion. So कितने भी बार बुलाओ मैं आऊंगी.
Absolutely. Guys, Dr. Vedahi is also on our panel of doctors. And if you have any issues, if you want to discuss any concerns, you can always reach out to us and reach out to ma'am, and we can arrange that for you. Thank you again, ma'am, for being here, giving your valuable time and answering all the questions from our community.
My pleasure, totally my pleasure. Enjoyed doing this, and let's have this more often.
Absolutely, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so
Bye.
much. Yeah. Bye bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye bye.